Hello friends, in this video we're gonna teach you how to register on the BigONE Exchange. You enter the exchanges section and then you choose BigONE. Then you click on go to website. On the registration section you enter your email address and then you click on send code. You log into your email, choose BigONE, copy the code and then paste the code here. After you enter the code, you choose a password for your account that we recommend you to choose between lowercase letters, uppercase letters, symbols, and numbers. Then you repeat your password. If you have a referral code, you enter it here. Then you check this box for agreeing to the website terms and conditions. After filling the informations, you click on Create Account. You will enter your account's dashboard. Your account has been created. Good luck.